Hi guys, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Does it make sense to buy a budget-friendly dashcam? Well, I found the Sincamex Dashcam for $59 on Amazon and I installed it in the car. I will show you how I installed it. I'll show you the app and also the image quality by day and by night. In the box we have the main camera. It looks very nice and slim. We do have the rear camera attached to a very long cable. And here we have the power adapter and the power cable. And what's remaining in the box is the manual and a tool for cable management. It is so much easier to insert the microSD card before you install the camera. And now I connect the cables. First the power cable and now the rear camera. We do have to remove the red protection film and now we need to find the right position and press the camera against the windshield. We're installing the rear camera the same way and don't worry about the angle of the camera, you can rotate it after it's installed. Whether you have an Android or an iPhone, to find your mobile app, simply scan one of the QR codes in the manual. In order to connect this app, before you can access the camera settings and the footage, you need to go to your phone settings and connect to a Wi-Fi network that's called Car DVR. The passcode is 1234567890. Now you can open your app and allow access to your camera. Here you can see both of your cameras. And from here it's also very easy to get into your settings and to adjust everything the way you like it. With a simple tap you have easy access to all the footage, which can be super helpful in difficult situations when you have to prove something on the spot. Now I'd like to share with you the front camera and the rear camera footage by day. And here we have front camera footage and also rear camera footage by night. I was quite surprised how user-friendly the app is, how easy to use it was, and I can honestly tell you that it makes so much sense to rather have a budget-friendly dashcam in the car than no dashcam at all. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and of course, a free way to support my channel is to leave a like. And if you like the channel overall, please subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.